Breaker Broke 23. Today I'm kind of excited. I'm going to do a little unboxing video here. I just yesterday ordered the new GoPro 8 Black, and it came this morning. So we're going to take a look at it. I'm really excited. This is going to kick up the game here on my YouTube channel here, I hope. Alright, so we've got the GoPro Special Bundle. Alright, well, let's open it up. See what's in here. This is cool. I've owned other small cameras before, cheap ones, and just never really liked how they performed. I just didn't like it. Of course, I was only spending like $100 a pop, $120 a pop, so I figured this time I'll bite the bullet and get a decent unit. So let's see, how do we open this? So this is my first GoPro product. Never owned anything like from GoPro before. I've always heard lots of good about these guys, and just never really spent the money for one, but decided to give myself a little treat. Oh, come on. Okay, well that's cool. Lots of flash, cool packaging. Yay! There's the GoPro itself. And let's see what's in this little bundle pack here. Okay, so we've got the headgear piece here, official GoPro product, 3M double stick, battery 1, battery 2, USB charge cable, ScanDisk high performance memory card here, 32 gigs. Come on, camera, focus. There we go, hopefully. And yeah, that's kind of cool with the adapter. And then the little handheld unit here. I guess they call them selfie sticks, right? What I liked about this is it broke out to be a tripod, a little tabletop tripod. I think that's kind of cool. A little flimsy though, I mean, it's molded plastic, I guess. For some reason, in the photos, I expected these to be maybe aluminum or something. I didn't really think much on it, but whatever. And let's see, still some weight there. Oh yeah, the GoPro itself. Wow, that's small. Oh, cool. Oh, that is cool. Alright, well I have no idea how to get this thing off of here. So bear with me guys, I'm a GoPro newbie here, so there's a learning curve, right? So there's the unit itself. I heard a lot of people complaining that there's no cover protection for the lens, but I'm not an extreme outdoorist by any means, so I'm not going to be this guy on a freaking dirt bike in Moab. Not going to happen. The little feet that I hear a lot of negative things about. This little, I think they call them little feet here, the little tabs that fold up obviously to make it compact. They come down like this and you can put them in your selfie stick or tripod or whatever. They say that that could be an issue. This is some of the online wizards of smart, which I usually don't believe. But if you look right here, there are 4 screws, 2 there, 2 there. On the website, they're selling replacements for $19, $19.99. So that's kind of cool. And oh, I hate doing this. hate peeling off screen protectors. I like to leave them on, but that's got print on it, so no can do. Yeah, that's kind of cool. How do you open this puppy? Let's see. Okay, maybe I should read the instructions. How about that? Yeah, I think I'm going to do that. There's mode switch. Yeah. Can feel it in there. Okay. Very positive click type switch. Dude, that blows me away how small that is. That's like, what, 2.5 inches by 2? And maybe with the lens, the thicker part here, 1.25 inches, inch and an eighth maybe, about 1 inch. That's pretty wild. Oh, for cool. I'm excited. All right, guys. The GoPro 8 Black, GoPro HERO 8 Black. I'm going to keep you guys posted on how this thing works out for me. I'm going to use this in a lot of upcoming videos, so hopefully my video production reflects that. Maybe kick it up a notch or two, but yeah, that's pretty cool. So I'm going to read the instructions, figure out how this thing works. Okay, after looking at the paperwork here with this quick start guide, they kind of show you how to do everything here. So we're going to open up that battery compartment, little have questions card, unlimited cloud storage promo, I guess, and safety instructions here in like 155 different languages. So we'll throw that to the side. I've got my micro SD out, got one of the 2 batteries out, and I'll show you how to open it. So right in here, there's a little indent. Just take and put your fingernail in there, pull back towards the bottom of the camera, and then this door opens up. Yeah, it does come off. There's a little hook right there, so let's put the battery in and we'll see how that goes. So before we put the battery in, obviously, I guess we better put the micro SD in. So you put it in upside down, little slot right in there. So we're gonna put it in there, push it in until it clicks. All right, SD's in there. We'll put the battery in. It goes up like this. There's a little piece of plastic here to aid in pulling it out. When you get it installed, push that in. That kind of snaps in. Well, that's kind of cool. All right, let's figure out how to put this door back on. Now, I have seen a lot of people complain about this. And when I did it off camera here a minute ago, to try to take this off, I didn't think I was actually going to come off. I've seen a lot of people say, oh, this battery door sucks because it comes off, but yeah, you got to kind of work with it. It just doesn't just fall off. All right. And when you put it back together, you can feel this little rubber bumper stop here pushes up against the battery. So I imagine that's going to help keep the battery connected when in use, and also keep it from wiggling or making any kind of a noise while filming, because I guess the mic would pick that up, right? So we're going to shut this, kind of push on that, take this little bottom piece here, push it back in, it clicks, we're good to go. Oh, that's cool. GoPro. And I guess I'll go through and set all that up, but touch screen, that's kind of cool. Oh, we want English. legal stuff. Hope this camera's focusing in on that. Let's try to get it. And of course I agree, because if I don't, I just can't use it. Captures location where your videos and photos are taken. For right now, I'm going to turn location off. Install the GoPro app on your phone to finish setup. Leave your camera on and follow the app instructions. Alright. Cool. It's going to be a learning curve here, so. Alright guys, well, follow me, stick with me on our little new GoPro 8 adventure. We'll see how this camera works out. See if you can tell if any of my videos are any better. And was it worth the, what was that, $449 for that little kit? Ah, decals, cool, it's worth it. Alright guys, thanks for watching.